elegantly blending cultural heritage with contemporary design. These gown features intricate beadwork in luxurious gold and silver. And these tones represent the rich agricultural heritage of Moncada. The classic silhouette of the Filipiniana, known for its butterfly's ease and modest yet sophisticated design, is elevated by the elaborate beading, which often includes floral patterns, geometric